It's Christmas Eve today, the 24th of December 2020.
Oh my god, Dad, you have to see this. We've got so many chilies to harvest. Let's just start harvesting all these. Guys, look at this beauty. Hello and assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Ali Raja Bagan UK. I am your host Akibullah.
I'm Ali Raja. Assalamu alaikum. It's Christmas Eve today, the 24th of December 2020, and it's a beautiful day.
But it's also bitterly cold, Dad.
It's bitterly cold, but I'm so happy, so glad I can take some fresh air into my lungs. Those of you who don't know, we've been infected by coronavirus about 5 weeks ago actually, and I wasn't so lucky. I had to spend 10 days in the hospital, but I'm so happy, so appreciative that I'm back in this in my garden and able to take some fresh air into my lungs. I feel great now. I feel much better. This greenhouse behind me, we had that fitted about 2 months ago. After harvesting most of our chilies from the plants, we kept about 20 chili plants in there along with our lemon plants. It's Christmas Eve today, the 24th of December. Tomorrow is the Christmas day, and I'm hoping to harvest lots of chilies today in the UK.
Dad, we're not quite sure if the chilies are there to be harvested. We haven't been in our greenhouse for more than 6 weeks, and we left some chili plants in there and they might have rotted because we haven't watered them in such a long time.
It's been 6 weeks, so we're not quite sure whether the chilies are still there to be harvested. So let's take a look, shall we?
Yes, let's take a look, Dad. It's been 6 weeks since I've been in our greenhouse. I'm so curious, just like you. I'm not sure what to expect. Come on guys, let's go inside. Oh my god. Dad, you have to see this.
What happened, Aki?
We have so many chilies, but the plant is dead.
Really?
Yes. Look, go inside, Dad.
Oh my god, we do have so many chilies on this
Yeah,
plant.
we have plenty of chilies. But look at the plant, it's dead.
The plants are dead and it's molding, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know why? We haven't allowed enough air to come into the greenhouse. Oh my god, look at these beautiful chilies. Oh well, we can harvest these chilies, can't we? These are the chili plants we are overwintering for next year. This is the avocado plant.
Oh my days, guys, look at all these chilies here, but the plant is just dead. We have
the lemon plant.
We have lots of lemons.
These are the lemon plants we are overwintering, and we have made a video about it, and they're doing great, aren't they?
Yeah. Dad, look at this lemon tree. We have big lemons on this one. Look.
Oh, these are ready to harvest.
Can we harvest some, Dad, today?
Yes, I think we should.
Okay.
Make that magic drink.
Yeah. It smells fresh.
Hey, look at our naga chili plant.
Naga.
Oh my god, look at this chili.
I miss these babies so much.
They rotted, these chilies.
I don't think we can harvest these ones. These ones have rotted.
No, the green chilies, the red chilies we can harvest.
Harvest, yeah.
Oh, look at these lemons. It's good to have a greenhouse, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can extend your growing season at least by 8 weeks.
Dad, I don't know about you, but I have to harvest the lemons first. Wow, guys, look at this beauty. Everyone, look at this beautiful lemon. Doesn't that look amazing?
Oh wow, that looks beautiful.
Yes, Dad. Guys, look at this beauty. It smells so fresh. It's so satisfying growing your own lemon and eating it. This smells so delicious. I literally just want to bite it right now. Guys, look at this. Dad, it looks beautiful, doesn't it?
It's fantastic.
Oh my. I can't wait to add this to our magic drink, Dad. It's going to boost it. I can't believe that we're harvesting chilies on Christmas Eve in the UK. Isn't that incredible? We've got so many chilies to harvest. Let's just start harvesting all these.
Isn't that amazing, Akeem? It's the Christmas Eve today, December the 24th, and we're harvesting chilies in UK.
Dad, that's incredible.
That's amazing.
Yeah, it is.
These are few of the chilies that we harvested from some of the plant. We have many more plants to harvest. Unfortunately, most of the chili plant has died. It's because the last 5 weeks hasn't been great for us. You must be wondering, I'm getting breathless. I was infected by coronavirus and I was in hospital for 10 days. I'm recovering at the moment. I do get breathless very quickly, but I have managed to get stronger just in 2 weeks. I came out of the hospital 2 weeks ago, didn't I?
Yes, you did, Dad.
And I feel much more stronger now.
And you look much more stronger, Dad.
If you wanna know how we coped with coronavirus, or if your loved one got coronavirus, I think you should watch the video that we made, how we dealt with coronavirus as a family.
We will leave the link in the description down below, or you can click the eye up here and it will take you straight to that video.
Having a greenhouse is amazing. Last 10 years we struggled without a greenhouse. Now growing chilies in the UK without greenhouse is difficult because the temperature goes ups and down. We don't get enough sun in the UK.
The weather's too unpredictable, Dad.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
This year we're lucky. We have this beautiful greenhouse which is about 18 foot long by 10 foot wide, and this was supplied and fitted for us by Polyeco greenhouses.com. They're based in the UK. They're a fantastic company. If you're interested in buying a greenhouse, we will leave the link in the description down below of Polyeco greenhouses.com. They're based in the UK. Give them a try.
2020 is an extraordinary year. I will never forget 2020. Lots of people around the world have suffered. Lots of people around the world have died.
Many people have died around the world due to the pandemic. It's been an incredible year. It's an unforgettable year. We've suffered quite a lot because of the pandemic. I've been in hospital for 10 days. Akib's been infected by the disease. Now in UK, many of you are infected by this disease. Hang on. We have the
Vaccine, not
vaccine. We have the vaccine. Just a few more months. Just hang on there, and we'll fight off this coronavirus. It also has been a fantastic year for us. We have made friends around the world. 20,000 of you have subscribed to our channel. 20,000. Isn't that incredible? From America, from Canada, from India, from Pakistan, from Bangladesh, from Germany, from Australia, New Zealand have subscribed to our channel. We really appreciate that. I hope you enjoy watching our videos. If you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share our videos.
As you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do something amazing and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. And until then, I'll see you in the next one.
Stay safe out there. Just hang on for another few months. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next one.